Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Psychological Trader here. This is a market recap on the trade I took, which just currently, which is has currently hit TP now. So I'm going to do a breakdown analysis of how I took this trade, why I took this trade on GBP JPY. Let me go to a blank chart and show you guys my bias on this pair and why I took the trade. Basing my trade off, you guys know I take my trade from the 1 hour time frame. So waking up this morning, I was just looking out. As you can see, let me just map this out. As you can see, the market has been on an uptrend right from this zone straight to this point. It has been in a strong bullish move, bullish trend. So as you can see over here, there was break of structure right over here. Let me show you guys. The market has been trading higher here, broke higher, traded higher here. It has been going up, breaking all existing previous highs. Not until this point, came up, created a high, went back down, failed to break, failed to break the high, came back down, failed to break the high, came back down. So when I woke up this morning, I saw this three impulsive move to the downside. I knew something was up. This was my break of structure. So knowing fully well that the break of structure, I need to capitalize on the downward movement. So I had to wait. This is like an MO pattern, if you can see clearly. Literally, let me just show you on the line chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were a lot of consolidation in this zone on a smaller time frame. You can see. So this is how I just map know how this is how I interpret the market basically. So I just bring this out. This is an MO formation. This is an MO formation. So after the break of the neckline of what I was expecting, a retest. And I know I don't take my retest here because that's where most the market makers know most retailers are going to set their sell limit right over here and their stop loss above this region. So most of the time, if not every time, I look for my order block, which is right over here, mapped out. Bear in mind this stuff I've not started, this move hasn't started yet. So I go back to the hourly time frame. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of within this zone, this point to this point. Mind you, the market was around this region. Tell me the nearest order block for this trade to take place and mark out my order block on the hourly time frame, which is this and this. So I basically know that this is where I'm going to be taking my trade, either between this zone to this zone or this zone to this zone up here. So most of the time, having a chart pattern like this giving me two entries, two suitable entries for my trade, I usually place to sell limit. one sell limit on this second box and another sell limit on this first box. So basically, this is my setup and where I'm going to take the trade from. I take my trade from the hourly time frame, but most of the time I go down to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes. But not in this case today. I just map out possible entry point within the zone and the zone. I'm up to that. As you can see, there's a similar box or a confluence box between these two boxes. You can see this small rectangle is between this other block and this other block. So it's mapped out already. So I know this is a possible entry zone because it has a lot of confluences for it to go back down from this point. So what I did is go down to the 15 minutes to get what a sniper entry. So as you can see here, this is for the second boss. This is where I'm going to take my trade for my second boss. If price fail to respect these highs, and breaks it, this is where I'm going to take my trade. Stop loss above this 25 pips. Stop loss CP about 150. Wow, almost 200 pips. So that didn't happen. The market didn't respected this zone. Let me show you. You can see it came back to this box, which means that even on a 15 minutes time frame now, there are a lot of other blocks right here mapped out. Let me not draw more boxes so you understand. This point to this point is another block. This point to this point before this impulsive move to the downside. So I take my trade since my box giving me a sell signal already telling me something is going to happen from the zone. So the close of my other block is at a level close to the box. So I just take it to be on the safer side. Took it from the close of my other block. Stop loss, stop loss above this level, just 30 pips. Mind you, my second trade sell limit is here. As if it fails to respect this level and this level right here. TP right over here. The nearest support on the hourly time frame. So I just go back down my hourly time frame and wait for the trade to play out. It's easier to show on the so as you can see, this was another sweet trade, another sweet trade, 160, 160 pips. You see, got to the box, rejected with wicks, 3 wicks, and spiked back down to my TP, to the T. So as you can see, on this trade, I was able to make 156 pips. Immediately tapped my TP, went back up. Still going to drop, but I'm already done for the day. Took out my trade, done for the day. As you can see, I'm yawning, I'm tired.